Alrighty guys, so over here in the garden section they have these hanging pots with the asparagus ferns for $19.99. It still looks really good. These ferns, it is a 1.5 gallon Boston fern for $16.99. Pretty. Vinca, you see how Vinca is surviving compared to the other plants, guys? I'm telling you, Vinca is amazing. So this is the red Vinca, but I do not see a price. Okay. These begonias in the hanging pots are $12.99. A little burned, but I don't think it can't recover. Cost of for $8. Yes, for a 2.5 quart size. Ooh, you see these? Well, how pretty. So this is the sweet potato vine for $14.99. We have this one with that color in it. Nice. This rosemary is $14.98. For the smaller one is $5.78. The garden soil, vegetables, and herbs, it is $10.99. The raised bed soil is $13. And the garden soil, trees, and shrubs, moisture control, $10.99. The manure is $3.99 by Scott. This organic raised bed and garden soil is $7. Landscape marble rocks, they're $8 for cubic feet. Little swimming pool, $8, guys. Ooh-wee, how nice, guys. So this is the T-Boss 550 with touch screen CA, what is that? For $10,000. Oh yes, this is nice. Ooh-wee. UTV camo, you can get it for $296 a month. 36 payments total $10,656 at 3.99 APR. So yes guys, this is really nice here. Oh my goodness. Is it street legal? Huh. 10-inch touchscreen GPS maps, 46 LTE front and rear cameras. Okay. T-Boss independent suspension. All right, friends, we have some Halloween decor pieces over here, and they are just so beautiful. So starting with the scary one. This is a crow for $9.99. This must be a candle. It is for $11.99. Look at Miss Piggy here for $50. Cute. Oh my. This one is a flying pig for $15. The candles are $15. Look at the shoes. Ooh. These are $20. And the pumpkins, they're $16. This Big Eyes 42-inch solar wind chime is $25. We also have that one. Let's see. This is a Halloween house lantern for $30. Ooh, more decor here, guys. A skeleton snake, $13. Ooh, look at this cutie pie here. Metal hen with the witch hat, $20. Ooh. The Boo solar sign. Let's see. $20. How cute is this one? This is $30 and it is a metal pumpkin candle holder. $20 for this one. $50 for the donkey skeleton. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. $40 for this one, 5-foot skeleton with open mouth. Oh my. This one is the hen skeleton, 28 inches for $50. $13 for these. This cutie pie here is $20. Alright guys, they've marked these clearance prices on down. The dog welcome sign is $9. This metal milk bottle is $7. The signs are $13.99. This one is $13.99. It's a metal tray. Alrighty, this one is $9. Ceramic egg tray. Rustic living animal cast iron mold for $18. $7 for this one. Treats. Let's see here. Okay, $13 for these. Alrighty friends, this iron with cocoa liner planter is on sale for $18. Not bad. Now, these pots haven't been here so long, and they're on sale for $13. Original price was $18. The barrel on sale for $18. The original price was $25. This one is on sale for $8. No, it's on sale for $5.49. This one is $10. It's a metal planter. These are $13. Metal folding table, they are $55. The original price was $80. It is in black, green, and blue. Oh, look at this one. Welcome spring sign for $22. This piece is $42. The original price was $60. plant stands are $11. Okay, these pots are on sale for $8. This one is $18. $16 for that one. $11 for this one. $11 for this one. $5.99 for these. Guys, this is a fire disc deep short, built to haul, cooks it all. Okay, so this one is $330. It is 24 inches in diameter. This 81 cooker is $600. So it smokes, it sears, it bakes and barbecue, it grills, roast, char grill, and braise. 8-in-1. Ooh, these beautiful scallop pots are $15. Beautiful. This one is a metal pot for $12. Now, are these on sale already? I looked at these in the last haul. This one is $27.99. Okay. Oh, how pretty are these? This one is $30. This one, $30. This cooler is on sale too for $89.99. Original price was $110. It is the Lifetime water cooler. Yes, Lifetime. Okay, guys, more pots over here. And this one is not that old, and it is on sale for $15. Okay. It is metal. And these are, let's see, $25. And these plant stands are $9. This metal chicken duck solar steak is that $16? Yes. And this ceramic pot is $30. Pretty color. Okay, guys, they even have this greenhouse topper on sale for $25. Wow. Walk-in greenhouse. It is $40. Amazing. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at the Tractor Supply store. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.